Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete Spendee account. So in order to delete your Spendee account, you will have to open the Spendee app. So click on the app to open it. Once your app is opened, you'll have to go down here where it says more, these three dots, click on that. And then once you're in this menu, which is the account more menu, you'll have to go down to the other section, and here you could see advanced right here, so click on that. And then once you're in advanced, you will see at the bottom the delete account button. Now keep in mind that when you tap it, you are about to delete your Spendee account, so this is irreversible. Do you wish to continue? Press continue if you want to delete your account. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.